Dwi'n meddwl bod perthynas gyda gwahanol bobl yn bwysig yn enwedig I busnesau newydd a pryd mae rhywun yn dechrau. Boed o mond ar gyfer cael cwsmeriad, achos fel arfer pryd mae rhywun yn dechrau, cwsmeriad cyntaf di'r bobl mwyn nabod, bobl mwyn gyda'r perthynas efo.
In a sort of an emerging business, you're going to have a few customers to start with. And the more successful you make that immediate relationship with them, you start the process of spreading the word of mouth. And word of mouth is an extremely effective marketing tool. So it's always useful to, make friends, basically.
Os nad I bobl licio chi, eich cwsmeriad chi, eich bobl sy'n gweithio I chi, bod nhw'n cael ffydd yna chi fel person. Dydy'ch busnes chi ddim yn mynd I lwyddo heb y gyfrinach fach yna.
Effective communication has got to be the one and only concern. It always helps to think about what it is you want to get across before any meeting, even if it's with staff, suppliers, customers, whoever it is you're going to go and see. So you've got a very clear idea of what it is you really want to achieve.
Mwy dyddi yma, dwi'n rhoi mwy o bwyslais ar trio gweithio efo bobl sydd yn well na fi, achos mae gennau lot o wendida. Un ffordd o drio oresgyn y gwendida yna I trio gweithio efo bobl sydd yn well na chdi a trio cael codi'r safon mewn ffordd.
No one can succeed on their own, however brilliant they are. You might have extraordinary vision, extraordinary talent, but you're going to need to work with other people to bring that into reality. It may not be in a way you expect, but you will do at some point or another need to collaborate with other people.
Efo busnes, mae'n lot I wneud efo trio datrys problemau o ddydd I ddydd. Ac hefyd dwi'n grediniol rwan bod angen chwilio am datrysiadau lle mae pawb ar ennill, yn nid os yw'r person da ni'n delio efo yn cael rhywbeth allan ohono fo a nina yn agor o oll. A does dim rhaid fod yn arian bob tro, jyst fod o'n fuddiol i'r ddwy ochr. A weithio fod o 2 neu 4 ochr hefyd. Mae hynny'n bwysig mwyn i'r berthynas fod yn ganaladwy.
Os oes yna un peth sydd wedi dod yn weddol naturiol I mi ac i'r busnes yma sy'n cyflogi bron 20 o bobl, mae'r peth pwysig un ydy bod chi'n dod ymlaen efo bobl.
Don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't assume that you have all the answers. Somebody else might have a better one. So there's something to be learned from every conversation that you have with people, and you should always keep an open mind about that.